welcome to my mansion on YouTube. Here I am at the airport. I'm gonna go to Guadalajara because my mom has to go somewhere and I have to go take care of her. So I'm her nurse, so I have to take care of her. So I can't leave her. If she would want to go, she would have to take me. So I'm going to the airport to Mexico. Mexico, Guadalajara. Again, I'm going to Guadalajara, but I'm going to stay there only 7 days. I can't stay there long, you know. I'm okay that way. Yeah.
Su atención, por favor. Este es un aviso importante. Debido a medidas especiales de seguridad establecidas por la autoridad aeronáutica y para evitar molestias y demoras a los pasajeros, le recomendamos evitar viajar con equipaje de mano, o si lo hace, que este sea lo más ligero posible. Por su seguridad, siga las instrucciones de su línea aérea. Gracias por su colaboración. Your attention, please. This is an important notice. Due to the federal security regulations established by the Aviation Authority, and to avoid inconveniences and delays to passengers, we recommend you to avoid traveling with carry-on luggage. If you do so, please ensure that carry-on luggage is as small as possible.
How was your
For
Mother's
your own
Day?
safety, please follow
How was
the
your Mother's Day?
instructions of the
Mine was great.
airline you are
I
flying.
had fun with my family.
Thank you for your
We all
cooperation.
hanged out at my niece's house. I'll see you later. Bye.